Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a good day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Welcome back sa panibagong upload. Marami na naman po tayo naka-line up ng mga quality units. Kaya panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Gusto ko lang po munang i-shoutout ang mga kababayan kong OFW, mga viewers ko po dito sa Pinas at sa mga buyers po na nagtiwala po sa akin. Marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Huwag na nating patagalin, simulan na natin to. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Let's start. First unit na kasama sa ating lineup, we have 2011 Mazda CX-7 2.5L automatic transmission gas engine, odometer 85,000 km, price 315,000. Location Parañaque City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng mid-size SUV, gwapo ang forma nito at affordable. Mas mataas ang ground clearance nito compare sa mga sedan. All stock, all original po ito. Multi-function steering wheel, may traction control system at malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. All power buttons, windows, doors and mirrors, pati retractable side mirror, working po lahat. Naka-factory leather pa to, upuan pati sidings. Intact po at maayos pa po ang kondisyon nito. Check nyo po ang cargo bay nito, maluwag po ang cargo bay, marami kayong may lalagay. Malinis at maayos pa rin po yan. Under the hood, malinis po ang engine nito, wala po itong oil leakage. Naka 2.5 liter gas engine that produces 244 horsepower at 350 Nm of torque. Good running condition, no hidden defects. Presentable outside appearance. 2011 model to pero well maintained on well-preserved unit. Kita naman po sa itsura. Best buy unit at affordable. Nothing to fix, just gas and go. Next, 2010 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLS 4x2 automatic transmission diesel engine, odometer 80,000 km, price 520,000. Location Las Piñas City. Naka-personalized plate na to, ending 3, Tuesday ang coding at naka-register to hanggang 2025. Fresh and clean interior. Mga upuan nito naka-leather seat cover. All intact, used but not abused. Well maintained ng first owner. All power and all panel gauge. Working po lahat. Maluwag ang second row nito. Okay ang space nito at malinis ang upuan pati sidings pati ceiling. 7 to 8 seater ang capacity nito. Kaya sa mga naghahanap dyan ng Montero Sport na affordable ang presyo, check nyo to mga bossing. Maayos ang pangilalim at wala po itong kalampat. Under the hood, superb quality engine. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 175 horsepower at 350 Nm of torque. Presentable body paint, 100% no accident history, 100% not flooded unit. Alaga to ng first owner kahit yung mga ilaw niyan clear na clear at makakapal pa po ang mga gulong. Next, 2016 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4 GLS 4x2 automatic transmission diesel engine, odometer 56,000 km, price 880,000. Location Marikina City. Another gwapo na Montero Sport, ang ganda ng pagkaputi. Keyless entry na to at push start button, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifter, naka-touchscreen head unit na rin to with reverse camera and sensors, 7 to 8 seater capacity. Okay naman ang space ng second row nito at ang third row nito hindi masyadong nagagamit. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue, no overheat history, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 181 horsepower at 430 Nm of torque. Excellent running condition to, ready for long drive, nothing to fix. Must see the unit to appreciate. 2016 model to pero well maintained at alaga talaga ng may-ari. You can bring also your trusted mechanic para magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. Next, 2020 acquired Honda Brio 1.2 RS automatic transmission gas engine, odometer 30,000 km, price 580,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong Honda Brio RS, elegant ang kulay, maporma, wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent, smooth and responsive CVT transmission, swabe manakbo, perfect to pang everyday use, elegant and fresh ang interior nito. Best buy unit to, 2019 model to pero 2020 acquired. Amoy bago pa to, check this out. Under the hood, no engine issue, naka 1.2 liter single overhead cam, 16 bulb inline 4, iVTEC gasoline engine that produces 89 horsepower at 110 Nm of torque. Available po itong unit sa financing plus check ng computation nasa screen. Sa mga naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, you can also visit my Facebook page, J. Catskill Vlogs. Marami rin po tayong unit na nakapost doon. Browse nyo lang po hanggang sa baba. Next, 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 CRDI automatic transmission diesel engine, odometer 93,000 km, price 328,000. Location Parañaque City. Meron din akong sinamang affordable na 7-seater. All stock, all original din to. 5-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. Malakas sumatak, walang delay sa shifting kahit 2007 model to, well-maintained and well-preserved unit. Malamig ang aircon, naka-dual ice-cold aircon. Pristine interior condition, upuan pati sidings, maayos po ito. Used but not abused, private use only. Kaya sa mga naghahanap dyan ng 7-seater na diesel yung engine, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Mas maganda kung ma-view nyo ng actual para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo po. Foldable din ang third row nito para mas marami kayong mailagay sa cargo bay. Under the hood, good engine condition. Naka 2.2 liter diesel engine that produces 153 horsepower at 335 Nm of torque. Kahit 2007 model to, condition to sa pangmahabaang biyahe. Outside appearance naman itong unit, presentable body paint, makakapal pa naman ng mga gulong. Malinis ang mugs nito, wala pong gutter marks. Next, 2015 Honda HRV 1.8e automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 60,000 km. Price, 590,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng subcompact crossover SUV, check this out, Honda HRV po, mga bossing. Push start button na to, mated with CVT transmission with eco mode and sports mode. 5-seater capacity, naka leather seat cover ang mga upuan. Presentable interior appearance at maayos po ang pang-ilalim nito, wala po itong kalampag. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine. Naka 1.8 liter gas engine that produces 139 horsepower at 172 Nm of torque. Pasok din po itong unit sa financing plus check ng computation, nasa screen. Safety features naman itong unit, naka dual SRS airbag, may anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. Best buy unit, just gas and go. Next, 2019 Nissan Navara 2.5 EL 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 50,000 km. Price, 790,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Kung gwapo na pickup at magandang performance naman ang hanap mo, isa sa good quality na pickup, Nissan Navara. 7-speed automatic transmission, naka 360 camera na po ito. All stock interior. Bagong dating na unit, ipapadetailed pa po natin at ipapabapping para mas presentable tingnan. Naka brute roll bar handle with carrier na po yan. Naka-stock pa po dyan yung bidliner matting yan. Under the hood, super powerful engine, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 161 horsepower at 403 Nm of torque. Naka Motolite battery na rin to, ready for long drive. Available din po itong unit sa financing plus check ng computation, nasa screen. Kung cash payment naman po tayo, negotiable upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Kung mayroon naman kayong existing unit dyan, pwede nyo pong dalhin sa shop para i-trade in. Next, we have 2018 Nissan Urban NB350 2.4L manual transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 70,000 km. Price, 770,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga mahilig mag-travel dyan, perfect to pang family service. Pwede rin pong ipasok pang business. 5-speed manual transmission, malakas sumatak, wala pong delay. 15 to 18-seater ang capacity. Multi-aircon ventilation to, kaya komportable po ang sasakay nito hanggang sa likod. Smooth manakbo, smooth ang suspension. Maganda po ito pang long drive. Under the hood, wala pong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 127 horsepower at 356 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check po ulit. Ayan po yung computation, nasa screen. Overall appearance nitong unit, presentable, makinis. Sa mga interesado at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, adyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2012 Honda Civic 1.8e automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 80,000 km. Price, 390,000. Location, Las Piñas City. May nag-request sa akin ito, nagpapahanap ng 2012 na Honda Civic. Eto na idol, sinama ko na sa aking upload. 5-speed automatic transmission, all power and all mechanism, 100% working. Almost 12 years na po ang edad ditong unit, pero smooth at swabe pa rin manakbo. Smooth ang suspension, walang kalampag. Iba talaga mag-alagang first owner. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka Amaron battery na to. No talsek, no usok, no blow-by. Naka 1.8 liter gas engine that produces 140 horsepower at 174 Nm of torque. No hidden defects. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Plus check ng computation, nasa screen. LTO and HPG verified. Naka-register to hanggang 2025. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito. Ready for transfer. Ready to use, sasakyan mo na lang to. Next, 2014 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLSV 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 53,000 km. Price, 627,000. Location, Marikina City. Another Montero Sport 7-seater SUV. Naka-touchscreen head unit na to with reverse camera. Automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. All power buttons, windows, doors, and mirrors. Working po lahat. Naka 2-toned leather seat cover po itong unit. unit. Quality po ito ng Mitsubishi Montero. Sipatin nyo po itong mabuti. Best buy unit. Under the hood, garantisadong wala po itong engine issue. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 175 horsepower at 350 Nm of torque. Maayos ang forma nitong unit. Naka full garnish set na po ito at malinis po ang pagkaputi. Naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Kompleto ang papel nito. Ready for transfer. Next, we have 2019 Nissan Navara 2.5EL Sports Edition 4x2 automatic transmission diesel engine odometer 61,000 km price 837,000 location Marikina City. Another quality at reliable na pickup. Naka 360 camera na po ito. All stock, all original interior. 7-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. Malamig po ang aircon nitong unit with automatic climate control. Maayos po ang kondisyon ng mga upuan at smooth po ang suspension nito. Wala po itong kalampag ang mga pang-ilalim. Simple lang at maporma itong unit. Kaya sa mga interesado dyan, pwede nyo pong puntahan para i-view ng actual, ma-check at ma-test drive. Pwede rin po nating i-scan. Kung may iba pa po kayong inquiry at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po, assist ko po kayo. Next, 2017 Honda CR-V 2.4 4WD automatic transmission gas engine odometer 60,000 km price 760,000 location Las Piñas City. Another compact crossover SUV Honda CR-V po ito, 4-wheel drive. Push start button na rin to, naka touchscreen head unit, all power, windows, doors and mirrors, gumagana po lahat. May rear center aircon ventilation kaya komportable po ang passenger nito sa likod. 5-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine, naka 2.4 liter dual overhead cam iVTEC direct injected inline 4 gas engine that produces 184 horsepower at 244 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Plus check ulit ng computation nasa screen. Malinis ang mugs neto, walang gutter marks at ang mga gulong naka Bridgestone, nasa 85% trade line. Naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Ready for transfer ang mga documents. Next, 2018 Ford Ranger 2.2 Wildtrak 4x2 automatic transmission diesel engine odometer 40,000 km price 850,000 location Las Piñas City. Sa nagpapahanap po sa akin ng Ford Ranger Wildtrak, ang ganda po ng kulay nito. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Meron na rin po itong phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. Clean and fresh, intact interior, maayos at maganda po ang upholstery nito. Unique design interior, all stock, all original po ito. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Excellent engine condition. Naka 2.2 liter 4-cylinder TDCi diesel engine that produces 158 horsepower at 385 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na rin din po ng computation nasa screen. Outside appearance, original shiny paint. Mga gulong neto, naka Bridgestone, makakapal pa. Naka 18 inches alloy wheels at wala pa pong mga gutter marks. Next, we have 2019 Toyota Rush 1.5e automatic transmission gas engine odometer 40,000 km price 680,000 location Las Piñas City. Mayroon din tayong 7-seater MPV sa naghahanap dyan. Check this out. Push start button, multi-info display, naka touchscreen head unit, 4-speed automatic transmission, smooth din ang shifting, walang delay. Clean and fresh, intact interior, used but not abused. Perfect din to pang family use. Kaya sa mga sawa na po gumamit ng sedan at sa mga gustong mag-upgrade, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Under the hood, wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 1.5 liter dual VVTi gas engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Nm of torque. Ready to use na po ito, no engine issue. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Plus check ulit ng computation nasa screen. Nothing to fix naman ang unit na to, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursunadahan kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. This is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!